In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account in BlueStacks. We will walk through removing an old Google account and adding a new one, all from inside BlueStacks 5, so you can switch the apps and data you use in your Android environment. First, open BlueStacks 5. Once it launches, you should see the main home screen with your installed apps in a grid and a toolbar on the right edge. If BlueStacks takes a moment to load, just wait until the icons appear and the interface stops fading in. That means it is fully ready. Now click System Apps. You will usually find this icon near the top of the app list, and it looks similar to a simple folder with basic tools. When you click it, a small window opens showing core Android tools like Settings, Play Store, and maybe a few others, so you know you are in the built-in system section. From there, open Settings. The Settings icon has a gear symbol, just like on an Android phone. When you click it, the Android settings screen appears, usually with categories like Network, Apps, and Accounts listed on the left side and Details on the right. This is where all account controls live inside BlueStacks. Next, go to Accounts. In the left sidebar, scroll until you see Accounts and click it once. The right side now shows any account types that are currently added, such as Google. If you do not see Accounts at first, make sure you are scrolling the left panel, not the right one, which is a common beginner mistake. At this point, select Google. Under the Accounts section, click the word Google once. You will now see a list of all Google accounts that are currently connected to this BlueStacks instance. Each account usually shows the email address and sometimes a sync status message underneath. Now choose your account. Click the specific Google account you want to manage. This opens a detailed page for that account, with sync options like contacts and app data. Seeing this page confirms that you are working on the correct account and not changing another one by accident. If you want to remove it, click Remove Account. After clicking, Android may show a small confirmation prompt asking if you are sure. Once you confirm, the account disappears from the Google list in the Accounts section, and any apps that use this account inside BlueStacks will no longer sync with it. Add a new Google account by going back to Accounts. Use the back arrow in the top left until you return to the Accounts Overview screen, where you again see the list of account types such as Google. Now click Add Account. A new window appears listing account types you can add. This tells Android that you want to attach another account profile to this BlueStacks setup. From that list, select Google. The Google option opens the familiar Android sign-in screen, usually with the Google logo and a field for an email or phone. This is the same process you would see on a regular Android device. Finally, sign in with your new account. Enter the email, tap Next, then your password, and complete any verification that appears. When you finish, the new account now appears under Google in the Accounts screen, and Play Store plus other Google apps in BlueStacks will use it. You have now switched your Google account in BlueStacks 5, so if this helped you change accounts smoothly, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear BlueStacks guides.